Hi students, I am here for our math lesson for the week. Last week we began learning about coins, learning to be able to identify them and how much they're worth. And this week we are going to practice counting coins and figuring out how many coins add up to $1. Coins are I think harder to add than money because they look different and they don't have their numbers on them like dollars do. So I think it's harder to learn coins. So if you can get this down when we move on to the dollars, probably next week, you'll be good. You'll be like, this is easy compared to this. So the last thing we did last Friday was we had to circle or point to, if you're just looking at this on your computer, how many pennies equal $1. And it was a lot because a penny's only worth 1 cent. So we'd have 100 pennies just to get $1, which is a lot of pennies. And as we move up, like to a nickel or the dime or the quarter, you're going to need less and less coins to equal $1. So the next one we're going to start with today this is the work you will do on Tuesday, I believe, is how many nickels do we have to get to $1? And this week I filled in the answers, so if you want to do it and come back and look at the video and pause it to help you, I thought that might help a little bit more this week than not having anything in there at all. So we know a nickel is worth how much? 5 cents. So we're going to count by fives, and when we get to 100, that'll tell us how many nickels are in $1, because there's 100 cents in $1. So let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, or 95, $1. So they're asking us, or they're telling us it takes 20 nickels to get to $1. So we will circle 20 nickels here. On the next one, we're going to talk about how many dimes do you need to get to $1. So how much is a dime worth? A dime is worth 10 cents. So we'll count by tens to get to 100, which is, like I said, the same as $1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. So that is 10 dimes to get to $1. And finally, we'll do quarters. Tell me how many or how much money is a quarter worth? 25 cents. So it's hard to count by 25s because it's not as easy as 5, 10, 15, but we'll do it to get to $1, and then just keep practicing by 25s over and over, and you'll get it, because there's only 4 of them and you need to get to $1. So it goes 25, 50, 75, $1. So you only need to circle 4, because there's 4 quarters and $1. So that's all the work I want you to do on Tuesday. On Wednesday, it's getting a little bit harder, so we're going to do less sheets. Now, what we did before was counted the same coins to get to $1. Now we're going to practice adding different coins to get to $1. Sometimes it can be confusing adding up coins, different coins together. To help, always start with the biggest coin value first. So if you have quarters, start with the quarters first. Then move to the dimes, then move to the nickels, then move to the pennies. Let's practice finding patterns for adding mixed coins together. So this is going to be Wednesday's work. First we had a quarter, so we're starting with 25 cents. We're starting with our quarter and then we're going to add dimes. So we started with 25, then it goes to 35. Adding 10 to that is 45, 55 cents, 65 cents, 75 cents, 85 cents. Then we started at 50 cents and we're going to count by tens again because we're adding dimes. 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, $1, $1.10. Next, we're starting with 3 quarters and then we're adding dimes. So we're going to count by tens after 75. 85 cents, 95 cents, $1.05, $1.15, $1.25, $1.35. Next, we're going to start with $1 or 4 quarters. We're going to count by tens because we're adding dimes after that. So it'll be $1.10, $1.20, $1.30, $1.40, $1.50, $1.60, $1.70. Then we're going to start with $1.25 and count by tens. $1.35, $1.45, $1.55, $1.65, $1.75, $1.85, $1.95. And then we're going to start with $2.50. And then we're adding dimes, we're going to count by tens. $2.60, $2.70, $2.80, $2.90, $3, $3.10, $3.20. On this page, they gave you little things right there to help you to make sure that you're on the right track. But on the next page, you're on your own. There's not going to be those little things to help. And we're going to do the same thing. We're adding dimes. So we started with 40 cents. We're going to add dimes to 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, $1. We started with 35 cents. Going by tens. 45 cents, 55 cents, 65 cents, 75 cents, 85 cents, 95 cents. Starting with 80 cents, so we're going to go to 90 cents, $1, $1.10, $1.20, $1.30, $1.40. Starting with 150, we're going to add dimes again. $1.60, $1.70, $1.80, $1.90, $2, $2.10, $2.20. Now we're starting with 175. We're going to add dimes again. $1.85, $1.95, $2.05. Oh, and look, the teacher messed up again. I didn't count by tens, I just went up by a nickel. So ignore these right here. I was wrong. That should be 175, 185, 195. This should say 205, 215, 225, 235, 245. See guys, teachers make mistakes too. So if you make a mistake, don't feel bad because we all do it. And then the final one on here is $4.25 is where we're starting. We're adding dimes. So it'll be $4.35, $4.45, $4.55, $4.65, $4.75, $4.85, $4.95. So that's what I want you to do on Wednesday. On Thursday, I didn't fill these in for you yet because I think you can do it on your own. But if you can't, I'm happy to help you. I'm still going to go over the answers for you though, okay? This is counting by 5, so this should be a little bit easier to do. So we started with 35 cents and now we're adding nickels. So remember, nickels are worth 5 cents. So we're adding nickels to this. We started with 35 cents and we're going to 40 cents, 45 cents, 50 cents, 55 cents, 60, 65 cents. We're starting with 55 cents here. We're going to add nickels again, so we're counting by fives. 60, 65 cents, 70, 75 cents, 80, 85 cents. Now we're going to start with 70 cents, add nickels again, count by fives. 75 cents, 80 cents, 85 cents, 90 cents, 95 cents, $1. Starting with $1, count by fives again because we're adding nickels. $1, $1.05, $1.10, $1.15, $1.20, $1.25, $1.30, $1.35. Here we're starting at 140. We're going to add 5 each time because we're counting nickels. 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 175. Here we're starting at 280, counting by fives because we're adding nickels. 280, 285, 290, 295, $3, $3.05, $3.10, $3.15. We're going to do the same on the next page. Counting by fives because we're adding nickels. We started with 85 cents. We're going to go to 90 cents, 95, $1, 105, $1.10, $1.15. Here we're starting at 30. We're going to add nickels again, counting by fives. 35 cents, 40, 45 cents, 50 cents, 55 cents, 60. Here we're starting at 25 cents. We're going to add nickels. So we're going to count by, tell me, 5, 25, 30, 35, 45, 40, 45 cents, 50, 55 cents. Here we're starting at $1.55. We're going to count by fives. We're adding nickels. $1.55, $1.60, $1.65, $1.70, $1.75, $1.80, $1.85, $1.90. Here we're starting at 120. We're going to add nickels, so we're counting by fives. 120, $1.25, $1.30, $1.35, $1.40, $1.45, $1.50, $1.55. And finally, we're starting at $4.45. We're going to add nickels, so we're counting by fives. $4.50, $4.55, $5, $5.05, $5.10, $5.15, $5.20. And then finally on Friday, this should be the easiest one of the week because we're just adding pennies this time. Pennies are only adding 1 to our total because a penny is worth 1. In fact, I'm not even going to walk you guys through these because I know you guys all in my class can count by ones. So you're just going to move up 1 each time. So if you're starting with 60 cents, you're going to write 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. And that's going to be the same on both pages right there, this one. So this is helping us add change. The biggest thing I want you to remember from this lesson is this. When you're counting change with different coins, start with the biggest first. So if you have a quarter, start with a quarter first. Then move to a dime, a nickel, a penny. If you start with a penny, it's going to be really hard for you to count your way up, okay? So that's the biggest takeaway I wanted you to do from this week. Please call me during my office hours. Ask me questions on Microsoft Teams. Email me, whatever you need if you have questions about this lesson. I'm happy and here to help you. So I hope you guys have a great week. Happy coin counting!